So I choose to start at Capgemini for their amazing slogan, "Get the future you want."
The fact that you have your destiny in your own hands because Capgemini provides the opportunities, and that is an element of the culture that I found really interesting.
The company itself gives the vibes that we're one big family. Everyone's so ready to support each other, to help each other.
I like the new office space. I certainly like all the windows and everything. It feels, the office space feels very open. And I love that there are also other companies in the office space, so in that way you can communicate with other people as well.
I'm from Brazil, so we are kind of used to have fun. And for me, it's very comforting knowing that this company here in Europe works with fun.
Get the future you want by learning the new skills, being flexible, and you can have the future you want. You can build your career.
In one word, amazing.
Welcoming.
Smooth, very smooth.
I would say enriching.
Fun.
Encouraging.
Unique.